god, you guys. Literally trying to take pictures of me and he literally slipped. I feel so bad. Hello Raquettes. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and join the family we have here on YouTube. So right now, you guys, I am actually on the way to walk some dogs. One's a Great Dane and one is a boxer. I'm just trying to get this. She just threw her water bottle. It is currently 10:45, so I am starting my day pretty early today. Okay, yes, this is starting early, and I am not sure what we have planned for today, honestly, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see what we're gonna do. Hey Valentina, do you want to go to the park today? You want to go to the park? Yes? Okay, we may go to the park then. Are you sure you want to go to the park?
Yes.
Okay, now we have to go to the park. Okay. Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she screams, I'm on my mouth, on my. Okay, you guys, so I just made it here. And you guys see I do have Valentina with me. And I told you I was walking a Great Dane and a boxer. And you guys, you know that Great Danes are big dogs. This one's still a puppy. And you wouldn't believe me because it's that big. But yes, I do have Valentina with me and that's going to be a little difficult. So I'm just going to show you guys basically how I be struggling trying to make that paper while having Valentina with me walking some good old dogs. So yeah, let's go and I'll show you guys exactly how this works. And it's really frustrating for me, but it's going to be very entertaining for you. So I hope you enjoy. Y'all, let me put that down. That was tough. It is so hot outside, y'all. I can't even deal with it. But walking those dogs and then having that huge ass stroller. All done? All right, thank you. Give it to me. Give it to me. Thank you. Y'all, it's just too much for me. Oh, she really finished all her water and this was full. Okay, she was thirsty. I am in need of some coffee. I feel like I have energy, but I'm just craving that coffee right now. I just don't know if I want to just drive 10 minutes all the way just to go get it though. Like, is that worth it? Probably not. Even though your girl is craving her iced latte from her favorite coffee spot, I'm gonna take my ass home and make myself a coffee. It's not espresso or anything, it's just coffee, but I'm gonna make it really strong and I'm gonna sell for it. I'm gonna save myself them $5. Look at myself, motivating myself to do better in life. I hope you guys can learn from this. Alrighty, Raquel, so I do have my cup of coffee. I made it myself, but either way, Raquel, I do have a couple walks later, and I'm just chilling at the house right now. So I'm gonna rewind you guys to like maybe over a week ago where me and Mama G went to a river, and it was so much fun. So I'm gonna show you the highlights of that day. Hello, Raquel. So today I am with Mama G, and Mama G, why don't you tell them what we're doing today?
We're actually on the way to Chimney Rock.
All done. All done. All done. Alrighty, we made it. Woo! Valentina is wanting to get out so bad. Yeah, she's angry. She wants to get out. Alright, Valentina, we're gonna get you out. 1 second. She is here.
Yes. Guess what, baby V? It's Titi. Titi on birthday. Whatever my name
Happy
is.
birthday.
I'm great, Grant.
Look.
We're going to the river.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Thank you. It's fine. I got it. Thank you. It's complicated.
Look, we at the river.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yo, Raquel, thank you for
Happy
coming.
birthday, of
Gabby
course.
wanted
I
you
wanted to
so
see him
bad.
too.
Thank you so
Of
much
course.
for doing that.
No problem. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Of course. Gabby, how are you, sweetie? Oh, good. How are you, love? This is so beautiful. Finally here. I bought you a chair. That's yours. Logan never came here. Tell me why.
I have heard about it, but
It's beautiful. I freaking am in love.
this is
Valentina's
this
been.
is where you come to re-energize.
Yes, the rocks and stones give me that positive, good energy. Valentina,
Yay!
she's a geologist over here, examining all the rocks. Oh my god, you guys. Gabi literally fell though. Oh my god.
Are you okay? Did you hit your head?
Wow. Dang. He was literally trying to take pictures of me and he literally slipped. I feel so bad.
What the?
That's actually pretty bad.
It's not. It looks worse.
It looks worse. And then he got all here too. Dang.
It's okay.
It's okay, mommy.
It's okay.
Oh, it's okay, my darling.
He's gonna be okay.
So basically, he was taking pictures of me, and he was trying to get a good angle of me. I'll put the pictures up, but he literally slipped on a rock, and I feel so bad. He literally fell off of a rock, and obviously he's taking pictures of me, so I'm not recording it. But I feel so bad, you guys. It goes like farther down his stomach than I showed you, like the scratches. But he's okay. He'll be okay. But still, it kind of sucks that happened. I'm sorry that happened to your son. It's okay. That's really sad, but
He'll be alright.
He'll be alright.
Antibiotic works.
There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, my baby. You did so good. Oh my goodness. So we're at a restaurant on the lake. Look how beautiful. This is nice. I'm excited. At a restaurant on a lake. So beautiful. Look. Wow.
Go inside.
What is that? No, right here.
Don't get wet.
Right here. That's it.
No more.
That's it. No more.
Oh, without me. Hold on. Alright, good picture. Alright, everybody in? Yep. The mountains. Oh, I felt a drizzle.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh. I felt it too. Uh-oh.
We took a video.
Yes, we did.
Very nice bow.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. My sissy over here.
Happy birthday, Magali. Hi, sweetie. Oh, does that mean pick me up? Yeah? Okay. Okay. I'll pick you up. Come on. Oh, there we go. Fishy, fishy. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Here, baby. Fishy, fishy.
Just a little bit. Comes in like a bowl like this, and then the crescent comes in a bowl like that.
I took
and then
it
it's
one
got,
time
like,
and she
4
loved
rolls.
it.
She's just gonna eat a lemon. Is that what we're doing?
Babies love it.
They do, right?
I don't know why.
Like she's just out here eating a lemon. This is just normal. This is just normal. Look at her face. Her face. And she keeps going. Oh, whoa. That looks so good.
What kind of margarita is that?
Oh, it's really good.
Is it martini?
Oh my god, it's like literally storming, y'all. It is raining. Happy birthday to you. Alright, thank you. As promised, we are at the park right now with the little Miss Valentina. Valentina, what do you want to do first? We have this little cute little thing here. We could sit you down. Whee! She's not screaming like I thought she would be. Whee! Whee! Is it fun? You like it? Yay! Go up the stairs. I'll hold your hand. You need help? There you go. I know, it's a big first step. And then you got it from here. There you go. You got it. Sit down. I'll hold your hand. Good job, Val. Go down. Push yourself. You got it, Valentina. Oh, you're so scared. I don't know why. Come on. Let go. But Raquettes, that was it for today's video. But we literally have been having so much fun. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on your post notifications for shout outs on my videos once you comment down below. Today's post notification shout out is going to go to Esther Masonette. Thank you so much for all your love and support on this channel. And for everyone else, y'all already know what to do. Love you, Raquettes the freaking most. And until next time, see you guys later.